gets bigger.
Oh boy.
Notice I didn't put any more liquid.
Alright. Now this takes a little bit of time to happen, but have you guys ever put like a soda can in the freezer or something?
Yes.
Alright, and does it kind of expand and get mouthfuls? That is what the ice is doing to the pipe right now.
So there might be a loud noise, it's not going to be too loud.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too loud.
Okay, now we wait. There's just a pipe sitting in liquid nitrogen
Yeah.
in the barrel.
So all the water in the pipe is freezing and expanding, and the pipe is completely full, so it's going to push against the edges of it. We have two questions.
I know. I'm so nervous. John, you're stressing us out. John, how long?
So normally,
We're stressing out.
most things, when they turn from liquid to solid,
Or I did it wrong.
they become smaller.
There's air inside it.
Water is just a little weird, where the opposite happens. That's not always, that doesn't happen for most substances.
Okay, it's been a
It
minute.
happens because of how water arranges itself when it becomes ice.
So water is actually a pretty special molecule. Like water is a collection of atoms, a group of atoms, and water is special. It's not like most other molecules. So, and again, to really explain this properly, we need much more. It turned into gas a bit more easily if we drop it in some water.
We did that with the tablets, remember?
You guys have dry ice tablets?
Yeah, but we did.
Other tablets.
The alcohol turned into a gas.
That's a living thing, right?
Yeah.
And just like you, most of it is made out of water. I mean, flowers are soft, right? Soft and squishy. And most of it, just touch it just a little. See, it's soft, right? You don't have to like hold it. Just feel it. It's soft, right?
Wait, that's real.
It's a real flower. Yeah, it's soft.
It's a real flower.
Yeah, these are real flowers. We bought these this
Yeah,
way, right?
They smell like real flowers.
They are real flowers. That's why they smell like real flowers. There you go. Okay, good. There you go.
Everyone believes that these are real flowers, right? There's nothing tricky about the flowers. They're just flowers.
So this is a real flower. And
Watch now. Shh.
so most of the flower is made out of water. Now if I dip it in liquid nitrogen, what's going to happen to the water? It's gonna
All together.
freeze, right? Say it all together. It's gonna freeze. Okay, now let's try that. Let's dip the flower. Ooh.
I might have filled it a little too much.
Yeah, that's gold. Okay.
Watch
This is why we don't touch liquid nitrogen. Okay, so the flower is freezing, right? It's freezing, and as it's freezing, the liquid nitrogen is boiling because to it, everything is super hot.
See how it stopped smoking so much?
That means that the flower is the same super cold temperature as the liquid nitrogen. Okay. Now, have any of you guys ever seen Terminator 2?
No, they haven't.
What's... Want me to do that again? Not the yellow one? Okay, all of them. Here's my ball. Right? So that's why you don't touch liquid nitrogen, because it freezes everything really.
Like any other balloon. Okay. I've heard yes and I've heard no. So let's try it. Let's see what
Cover your ears if you don't want to hear it pop.
Cover your ears.
I want to hear.
But watch the fire. Okay, so the balloon popped and the flame went out. Right? So the helium is the same helium. So now if I take the hydrogen balloon and
Stay further away. Oh my god.
fire near that, who thinks it's going to pop?
Yes.
Okay. pop better or better hands up than the helium? Okay, what about worse?
What does that mean?
Okay, better and worse, I think
Okay.
it's pretty
Pop
fair.
better.
Okay, so let's see.
Alright. Guys. Do you see the little bits of liquid nitrogen that aren't boiling out, that are just rolling around?